Welcome to video 9 of the stringr set of videos. In this section we're going to be using another of the built-in data sets, and it's called sentences. So if you want to look at what's in that, this can give you an idea. It's just a list of, it's a group of sentences, and we're going to be looking at that with string extract. Now string extract will extract the first match from each element. So for instance, if I did string extract, let's go back to fruit. No, let's use X. Let's just see if AT is in there. So it will pull out where it matches. So realize there's what was in my data set. So it's pulling out the match where it finds it. Now that's not so interesting where it's just a simple set of letters like AT, but I might want to choose from a whole set of things. So for instance, I am going to set up a list of colors. And then I am going to use my string concatenate to put those together with or symbols between them. Right? So now I am choosing from this whole set. If I did string subset, let's see what we have here. If I did string subset from all of those, then you can see that I get all the sentences back that have any of those colors in them, right? It's subsetting off of red or with a capital R or an orange or yellow, green, blue, purple, any of those things. And I've put, and I collapsed it with a space after so it would find it where it's the first word. So I could have included some other colors. I see for instance, I see here it got ordered peach pie with ice cream. And I'm thinking, wait a minute, I didn't have peach in my list of colors. Oh, but look, here's red under ordered. Red was in there, and anyway, so I'm going to have to fix that at some point. I'm going to leave that to you for your next exercise to fix that, why that comes. See, here's fired, here's cartridge. Those came off in my list, but I don't really want those because it's not the word red. It's just red as part of a sentence. Here's flickered. Anyway, let me then extract out of that the colors, right? What colors did it find, right? So let's look at the matches. So I'm extracting out of these that had color in them, where are the matches? And you can see it didn't pick up peach, right? But it picked up red in a lot of cases where maybe I didn't want it. Now let's look at, I can combine this with what sentences had a count of the color match bigger than 1. So here I have green. Now brown was not in my list, but I got green and flickered, right? And here I have orange, red, blue, red. So these two are valid, but this one is not, of what I was trying to get to. Now, if I did string extract, now I'm looking in, where am I looking? The sentences that had more than one match, there's these 3, and what are the colors that matched? Well, it didn't pick up all of them. Why? Because I did string extract. We also have string, it gets the first match, remember? So we can do string extract all, and then it gives them all to me. But it gives them back in this list, which is maybe a little hard to read sometimes. So there's an option for simplify, and puts it in a little bit easier to read format, especially if you have a super long list. Now your assignment is going to be to repeat these sorts of things, but modify it so that it won't pick up things like flickered. It'll just make it it won't pick that up as a color. So you're going to do several steps. You're going to show all the sentences that contain at least one color with the highlighted word using string view all. Then use string extract all to produce an array with the colors that appear multiple times in a sentence. Okay, and that'll be the end of video 9. Come back in video 10, we'll talk about grouped matches.